Okay, I would like to move my charger and where the robot sits. I'd also like to do a reset. So my battery percentage, for some reason the battery does not want to charge. See, my battery percentage is 64. I'm hoping that a reset will fix that. We'll just make sure I'm on the latest and greatest. I am. So whatever robot version that is, that's the one I'm on. So factory reset, confirm. What this should do is put the robot back to exactly where it began. So we're gonna add a robot. We're gonna add this one. Start. Oh, wait. I don't want to do this yet. I want to move the charging location. So before I add it, I'm gonna move it. I had to create a channel across the rock. I guess I could have let it, well, you wouldn't want it milling across rock. This part I don't know. What's it gonna do in the rock? See, I think I'm gonna have to add some concrete there. Yep, definitely gonna have to concrete that area in. Well, you know, live and learn.
Start charging. Start working. Start charging.
Okay, so that didn't work. Needed to be concrete. So I moved it over here. The problem with over here, these bricks aren't really level. It's kind of hard to see. So I'm gonna put it back where I had it, where it was working fine, just tearing up the yard. I put down a mat. We'll see how it does now.